Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can block notifications in your Google Chrome web browser in 2025. So let us dive into this. So launch Google Chrome, and basically guys, what you will need to do is head over to your browser settings. That's one option, how you can block notifications here in Chrome. So to do that, click into these three dots, navigate to settings, and inside your browser settings, navigate to privacy and security. And after that, click into site settings here. Last but not least, navigate to permissions and expand additional permissions. However, you will see these notification settings already here. So simply click into it. And after that, guys, you may simply go through that default behavior here and, for example, allow websites to ask you to send these notifications by selecting one of these options. Or you may simply block these notifications entirely by choosing this option, don't allow sites to send a notification. So that's totally up to you guys. Another option would be to simply turn off the notification for the given website once you're on the given website. For example, let's say you're on this website here, simply clicking to that symbol here next, view site information. And from here, guys, you may simply get redirected to site settings, and that is going to automatically, let me find it, redirect you to that list so that you may, for instance, add the given website to that list of not allowed to send notifications. Or if you'd like to allow these notifications, simply click into these three dots and switch to allow. And that's basically it, guys. So you may do this for each website separately or set a default behavior for your entire Google Chrome web browser. So that's how it works in 2025. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.